Every toolbox needs reliable pliers and hand tools for electrical work, automotive repairs, and DIY projects. In this video, we review 5 versatile tools designed to improve efficiency, precision, durability, and everyday workshop performance. Number 5. LAOA Multifunction Wire Stripper Cutter. The LAOA Multifunction Wire Stripper combines wire stripping, cutting, gripping, and precision handling into a single compact tool. Built for electricians and technicians, it offers efficient performance when working with electrical wiring and cables. Its industrial-grade materials provide durability, while the ergonomic design enhances comfort and control. Whether for professional installations or home repairs, this Number 4. Long Reach Hose Clamp Pliers Set. Designed specifically for automotive maintenance, this long reach hose clamp pliers set simplifies the removal and installation of fuel, oil, and water hose clamps. The extended reach design allows access to hard-to-reach areas within the engine compartment, improving efficiency during repairs. Strong gripping force and user-friendly operation make it easier to service cooling systems and fluid lines. It's an essential tool for mechanics and automotive. Number 3. LAOA 2PCS Combination Diagonal Pliers Set. The LAOA 2-piece pliers set includes an 8.5-inch combination plier and an 8-inch diagonal cutting plier. Featuring a labor-saving design, these tools provide stronger cutting performance with less effort. Suitable for wire cutting, gripping, bending, and general repair work, they offer versatility for electricians, technicians, and DIY enthusiasts. Their industrial-grade construction.
Number 2. HORUSDY 4PC Circlip Pliers Set. This HORUSDY Circlip Pliers set includes 4 specialized pliers for internal and external retaining rings in both straight and bent configurations. Designed for mechanical repairs and equipment maintenance, these tools make installing and removing circlips easier and more precise. The durable steel construction ensures long-term reliability, while the variety of included pliers provides flexibility for different applications. It's a valuable addition. No. 1. LAOA 9-in-1 Electrician Needle Nose Pliers. The LAOA 9-in-1 Electrician pliers combine multiple functions into a single tool, making them ideal for professionals and DIY users alike. Designed for wire stripping, cable cutting, clamping, screwing, and wire splitting, these pliers reduce the need for carrying multiple tools. Their ergonomic grip improves comfort during extended use, while the durable construction ensures reliable performance. It's a practical all-in-one solution. These 5 pliers and hand tools offer practical solutions for electrical work, automotive repairs, and general maintenance. From multifunction electrician pliers to specialized hose clamp and circlip tools, each product provides valuable functionality for professionals and DIY users.